WhatsApp has a feature that allows users to send photos that can only be viewed once by the recipient, known as the View Once feature. This is useful when you want to send sensitive or private images that shouldn't be saved or shared. However, WhatsApp doesn't allow recipients to save or store these photos once they've directly been viewed. So if you wish to save a photo sent with the View Once feature, you need to take a few steps beforehand. So before opening the photo, you can take a screenshot of it on both Android and iPhone devices. Simply use the respective button combination to capture a screenshot. So be aware that this might not always be ideal as a method because it could compromise the intended privacy of the photo and might notify the sender if they have enabled red receipts. Okay? So alternatively, if you receive a View Once photo and you want to keep it, you can ask the sender to resend it in a regular way, which, without enabling the View Once feature, which would allow you to save it normally. WhatsApp has designed this feature to limit saving and sharing for privacy reasons. Taking into account your privacy as a primary option.